right, Jed, grab us that key. Let's get in and see what they've got done today.
Yep, pull it, and then pull that down, and then we got the keys.
All right, so we're out here at the cottage again today, and we're very excited because they've got the granite countertops in. Let's go take a close look and see the color we got, because we picked it out on basically just images on and from email. So we're gonna see it in person now. So I don't know what you call this. This is like a salt and pepper. It does have a very specific title, but it is a gray color. Got white and black spots and speckled. That's why I call it salt and pepper. I don't know, what do you think, Jen?
Good.
Okay, cool. Man of many words. Little man of many words. All right, that's where the stove's gonna go. Cool.
Oh, and also they're about to put in the sink soon.
Oh, they're gonna put in the sink, you say?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so the sink is in. They got the sink in. They're gonna put in the faucet soon. We got a one-hole faucet apparently. Yep. No soap dispenser or anything like that. It is undermount and it is rounded.
And this is where the fridge is gonna go?
Fridge. You know that there was a football guy. His name was the Fridge. I think he was part of the Chicago Bears. Go Bears.
You're so silly.
Yeah, you think I'm silly, but it is true. All right, let's go take a look at the master. All right, got the master bathroom here.
And we also got some more granite.
Yep, they got the granite in here as well, and the sinks. Check that out. These have the three holes drilled. Yep, 2 sinks, that's right.
1, 2,
Gotta-
so we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You know what they call that, Jen?
But
His and hers. They call it a his and hers. Yep. So which side am I taking?
oh, Dad, look at this. This is really big.
Oh, yes. I haven't looked in there yet. Cool, yeah.
It's like we can like store more
That's
stuff.
been in here for like a month now, and I haven't even opened it. I usually just capture the video, and
That's
we're good.
big.
And notice this too. Did you see this right here? There's like a seat. You can have a seat there.
Yeah, it's like really
Yeah, I think Wendy's gonna like that. It's good for, I don't know, I guess makeuping and doing your hair and that kind of stuff. I'm the kind of guy who's just in and out of the bathroom, so
And we're also
brush your teeth and we're done.
I remember I discovered this. Remember this?
Yep. All right, cool.
Yay.
I think we're done. Let's go look at it from this view here. And that's it. Yeah, this is going to be a really quick episode. Naturally, they've got those granite countertops in, and we're very excited to see that little bit of progress there. It takes a lot of planning, a lot of measuring, polishing and the cutting and all the things they have to do at the granite shop. So I'm glad that they got it in. August 27th is coming very soon, and I really hope that we meet that deadline. It's a great date. I'm just not sure, They're moving at a reasonable pace, but are they going to hit that deadline? I certainly hope so, because we like to get this house furnished. That's the hardest part for us. We're trying to work on all the furnishings. We keep piling this one room. It's in the front of the house, and it's storing all the different things that we're buying. So couches, chairs, coffee tables, end tables. I've got a coffee maker. Look at the new swag that I got real quick. My in-laws are coming in. I'm excited to see them come in. And so I bought a bunch of coffee. We're gonna sample the coffee. It's got a lot of different variety. And I got a new coffee maker that does the K-cups and the carafe coffee. So drip coffee. All right, so thank you for tuning in today. Next time we'll have some more things to show. And Jet has got his Chewbacca shirt on today. That's pretty awesome if you ask me.
Yep.
Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye all.